Hi everyone, welcome back in lockdown cooking. I hope you guys have all been eating a lot of fruit and vegetables to keep healthy, to boost your immune system. I certainly have. I've been doing my smoothies on a regular basis, or on a daily basis. Every day I have one smoothie. It's really good for you. It boosts my immune system. I feel really good. I feel really healthy. And I suggest you do the same, and I hope you have been doing the same. And I've been playing around and experimenting with my smoothies, and I just came up with this recipe that I enjoyed and I have done a few times since. So I thought to share it with you. Maybe you might like it too. It's really healthy. We've got bananas, the superfruit. We've got walnuts, which is full of omega-3 oils. Then we're going to put a bit of milk, calcium, good for your bones. And then a little trick here that I've added, and that just made it, is a little bit of ginger. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my ginger, and I'm going to use something that's not much more than like a dice, just not bigger than a dice. So you take off what you don't want, which is the sides. There you go. If you look at it, it's got a little dice of ginger. Also, if I give my blender a little bit of a fighting chance to blend this, there we go. I just cut it in four. Oh, we don't want this. Then one banana. Okay. Oh, wash my hands quickly. Alright, then we put some walnuts, and it's nothing more than a small handful. Don't have to put too much, just a little bit. Depends on how much you like it. If you like a really nutty taste, you put a bit more. If you like more banana taste, you put more bananas. If you really like ginger a lot, just put loads of ginger in it. I tend not to put too much ginger because it will be overwhelming if I do too much of that. Here we go. Simple stuff, easy to do in the morning, very healthy for you. So you're going to top it with milk now, and the mix of banana and milk will make it really creamy. Actually, you will have some kind of creamy texture, which I personally really enjoy, and it's really nice. So give it a try, guys. Okay, so here we go. As simple as this. Let's put it on top. Okay, make sure it's tight or it goes everywhere. And there's my little blender. I really enjoy using this one. Okay, and that is my morning smoothie done. And you can already see it's really creamy, and again it's just blending this milk with this banana. Okay, cheers everyone. Wow, really good. Okay, give it a try. I promise it's worth trying. Okay everyone, here you go. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you keep safe, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.